morning dear children. In last video I have to discuss about our body lesson completed to this lesson and I can move next lesson birds. What is birds? How to fly in bird and what is the parts of bird? Now I have to discuss these are topic in our birds lesson. Dear children, have you observed birds in our surrounding, neighbors or playground and many of the place we have to observe birds. How have you seen birds fly when you look up in the sky? All of you see here birds when you look up in the sky. We have many birds playing around us. We have many birds. Many birds playing around us. Okay. ತುಂಬಾ ಬರ್ಡ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಲದ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಬರ್ಡ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ all of you open your textbook page number 25. Open your textbook page number 25. All birds have beautiful feathers. Dear children, we have to observe many birds. All birds have beautiful feathers. All birds, some of birds, for example peacock, this bird's feather is very beautiful. All birds have beautiful feather. In parrot also they are beautiful feather. And next, birds can be small or big. Some of birds are small and some of birds are big and some of birds are very beautiful feathers. Birds can be small or big. For example, peacock and compared to sparrow, sparrow is too small compared to peacock and parrot is too small compared to other birds peacock. The birds can be small or big. The birds can be small or big. Birds can be seen flying in the air or swimming water. Some of birds are flying in the air. Airally some of birds flying in the air. Some are swimming in water. Some of bird water alli irutte, swimming alli swim ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, water alli ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತೆ. But some of birds are flying in air. ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, look around of the sky. It is, for example, birds can be seen flying in the air. For example, parrot and next crow and next parrot, crow aitu, pigeon, sparrow. That is an example of can be seen flying in the air. Swimming in water, for example, duck. These are swimming in water. Water alli swim ಮಾಡೋದು. For example, duck. And next, they can walk, hop, run and fly. These birds are walk, hop, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು run and next fly. Fly ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, run, and some of birds are run. Okay. And next, they eat different types of food. All birds are eat different types of food. Some birds eat plants. Some of the birds are eat plants such as seeds, grains and fruits. All birds they eat different types of food. Some of birds eat plants such as seeds, grains and fruits. And next, while other eat flesh. Other birds are eat flesh. It means ಮಾಂಸಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಂಸಗಳನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಟ್, ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, birds use their claws and beaks to catch, hold and eat their food. Some of birds use their claws and beaks. Claws ಮತ್ತೆ beaks ನ bird ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, to eat their food. ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ beaks ಮತ್ತೆ claws, ಕೊಕ್ಕೆಗಳು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವಾ beaks ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, they have to eat food. Understood? The birds, all birds have beautiful feathers. All birds have beautiful feathers. Birds can be small or big. Some of birds are small and some of birds are big. Birds can be seen flying in the air or swimming water. Birds can be seen flying flying in the air. Some of birds are flying in the air or some of birds are swimming water. And they can walk, hop, run and fly. Some of birds walk, hop, run and fly. Okay. They eat different types of food. These birds eat different types of food. Some birds eat plants such as seed, grains and fruits. Some birds eat plants such as seed, grains and fruits. Some of birds eat flesh. Some birds eat vegetarian food and some birds eat non-vegetarian food. Birds use their claws and beaks to catch, hold and eat their food. Understood? Birds use their claws and beaks to catch, hold to and eat their food. Food na eat ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕದು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೀಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆಹಾರವನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನತ್ತೆ. That is the properties of bird. Okay. Dear children, open your textbook, page number 25. Common birds. Common birds. Look at the picture below. Write the names of these birds by taking the help of the given box. Tick the ones you have seen in your neighborhood. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, how you looking see here? Black color bird is what? Crow alva. First bird is crow. Second looking like a pigeon. Two color mix here, pigeon. And next third bird is sparrow. This bird is sparrow. And next bird is parrot. Right here these column, right here names of the picture. Okay. And next peacock. Next bird is peacock. And next swimming in the water. Water and swim ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, that is duck. This bird is duck. Okay. And next body parts of a bird. What is body parts of a bird? Body parts of the body ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್. ಬಾಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ bird. I see here in blackboard picture of bird. It is one type of picture of bird. Okay. And next, birds are different types. These some of birds are different types. Types of name. One birds ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಒಂದೊಂದು ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಒಂದ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಿಜನ್ ಒಂದ್ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ some of birds are different shape. Some of birds are different shape. Some of them are very small and very big. Some of birds are very small. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು birds very small ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು birds ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Compared to sparrow and crow. Crow is compared to sparrow very big. Crow big ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ sparrow compared ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So that's why some of them are very small or some of them are very big. Some are brightly colored and some are dull. Some of birds are brightly colored birds. Some of birds are brightly colored bird and some of birds are very dull color. Brightly color. For example, again crow. Crows is bright color. It means color is black. And next parrot. Parrot is compared to crow. It is dull color. Parrot green. Green color ali parrot green baruttalla. That is color of parrot. Some of birds are different types. Some of them are bright colored and some of them are dull colored and some of them are very small and some of them are very big. All birds have few common feathers. All birds have few common features. ಎಲ್ಲ birds ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ common features. Understood? All birds have common features. They are only living things on the earth. Birds ಅಲ್ಲ, it is living things. ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, living things it means live ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಆಹಾರ ತಿನ್ನುತ್ತೆ. That is birds are living things. All birds have common features. ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಾಡಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಹೂಸ್ bodies are covered by feathers. Birds bodies are covered by feathers. Feather ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ birds body ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ cover ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. And next they have one beak. It is beak. ಕೊಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಕ್ಕು ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ತುದಿಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, that is known as beak. Only one beak. ಎಲ್ಲಾ birds ಕೂಡ common feathers. It is feathers and only one beak. Okay. And next, two eyes. Birds have two eyes and two wings. Birds have two eyes and two wings and 2 feet with claws. It is feet. 2 feet with claws. Claws ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ feet attach ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. It is body parts of a bird. All birds have different types. Some of them are colored and some of them are dull. Some of them are bright colored and some of them are dull colored. And next, all body some of them are very small bird or some of them are very big bird. Some of them are size ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ small ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Some of them are very big bird. All birds have common features. ಎಲ್ಲ birds ಕೂಡ common features. And next, they are living things. Birds are living things. It is not the non-living things. Birds are living things. And next, all birds have covered. Birds body is covered with feathers. Feathered body is birds body is covered with feather. And then one beak. Birds are one beak and two eyes and 2 feet attached with claws. Claws ಇಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ feet attach ಆಗಿದೆ. And next, 2 wings. Birds are 2 wings. It is body parts of a bird. Dear children, today we have to learn properties of bird and next body parts of a bird. Okay, next class I will discuss one by one body parts of a bird. Beak. Okay, next class I will discuss body properties of a bird. I will explain beak. Okay, thank you.